you say hi, Vina?
I don't want it nice. I want it nice.
She wants Minecraft music.
3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. We are going to be cooking the quickest meal in the world. Chickpeas, corn, mashed potatoes. I'm gonna head over to the kitchen where Megan is and we're gonna show you exactly what you need and how to do this. And we're actually gonna time it and show you how fast you can have a meal ready for a whole family. Because you know what? On busy nights, we don't have time to cook.
No.
We just wanna eat right away.
Right.
So what we're gonna do is we're going to show you exactly what we eat maybe at least once a week.
Miss Mikey loves this.
Uh-huh.
No, it's not ready yet. Okay, we'll show you how.
Let's go. Alrighty, so what do we got here?
Okay.
We got a strainer, right?
I got a strainer and I got some frozen chickpeas, which I made in my awesome slow cooker. You can find the hack on my website, baconprairie.com. We need a frying pan. Here it is. I use this for every single meal. We have one, and it works for every single meal that I use. Okay, so I'm going to put my frying pan on here, on my dirty stove. The counters are clean, so that's a bonus today. And we dump that. And then I just throw on hot water. So, hot water, run them over your chickpeas. It doesn't need to be perfect, just as long as they're not in like huge chunks. Okay, so then there we go. They're all nice and loose. And my pan's probably not fully heated, but it doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna throw them in there like that. Sometimes I cheat and add a bit of oil, but not today. Today we're gonna be healthy. We got garlic powder. I don't measure anything, like, ever, unless I'm actually trying to make a recipe for my blog, because I realize that there's people in the world that actually like real numbers. I'm kind of more of an intuitive cook, I guess, so I shake stuff on. And
what was that you just put on there?
That was onion powder.
Onion powder.
Pretty basic, like, home cooked stuff, guys. And some salt. And I'm gonna be good about this too, because I don't want to eat too much salt. Sometimes I'm bad. And then you just let it do its thing. And what are we having? Mashed potatoes or baked potatoes?
Let's have some mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. That means I need... Oh, look at what she did.
What did she do?
She stopped the dishwasher.
Nina, did you stop the dishwasher? What are you doing?
That's my recipe book.
You're ruining the recipe book.
Oh, this is my brain. This is like literally what I plan on my recipes on. I know it's like so ancient and archaic. There we go. Mashed potatoes, chickpeas, and corn. How appropriate is that? It's ironic. It's meant to be, guys.
Alright. So we're going into phase 2 here. And if you look over my shoulder,
I'm peeling potatoes. Is that my cue? I'm peeling potatoes. And I'm peeling the peels into my strainer that I used for the chickpeas, because who wants a mess of peels all over the counter? Not me.
alright, and then what else do we need? We need some corn, right?
Yep.
So how about we go over to the fridge now and see what we got. Oh. Green beans.
Keep looking.
Peanuts.
You're close. I know where they are. I'm not going to tell you.
Winter vegetables.
That could be good too.
Oh. And green peas. And I found them.
You found it.
How about we take this big bad boy out? This is a very economical way to eat corn.
Very economical.
Way easier.
way to eat corn.
Just go to the store, buy a big bag. You don't need to buy fresh corn on the cob.
Unless it's in season.
And
then yes, you should, because it's delicious, and kids love that. My kids love eating corn on the cob. I'm sure yours probably do too.
another fun fact too, when they freeze the corn inside these bags, it maintains all the nutrients. So if you're looking to get a more nutritious meal, frozen's the way to go. You won't really get that with farmer's market corn sometimes.
Okay, so half is like sauce or defrosted, and half
Right.
is, but that's okay.
Right into the microwave.
Here, in there,
Right. Let's take you over here to the chickpeas, which are starting to sizzle. Listen to that sizzle sound. Megan work away at those potatoes.
Did you guys know that if you prep your potatoes too early and you don't cover them with water, they go black? Gross, right? FYI.
Learn something every day.
Alright, so I need to get my potatoes on. Because everything else is almost done. These are going to take longer than everything else. So I think what I'm going to do is use my shallow skillet. What is this?
Mommy,
What is this? What is this called? Is it called a skillet?
Yeah, I think it's called a skillet.
Okay, I'm going to use this skillet because this way... What happened? Don't touch it, it's hot. I'm going to use my skillet because this way I can fill it with less water. I can fill it with less water, which means my potatoes are going to cook a lot faster. And hopefully we can get this done sooner for you guys. How are the chickpeas? Maybe we should stir them. See
Yeah.
what they look like.
I'm gonna stir them. Grab this. Let's check them out. Oh yeah. It's gonna be so good.
They're browning up nice, even without any oil. See? You can totally do this in the healthier way.
Thank you, Nina. So helpful. As the normal. Oops.
Sorry, that hurts.
Don't touch it, Nina.
Sorry. I got puppy floor.
You did.
Yeah. We're gonna stay here until Mommy just rescues us.
Oh, this thing just shattered everywhere. We should. Yeah, it's broken.
You stay there.
It's broken.
It's okay. It's just a piece of plate.
Yeah, broken today. That's right. It's okay. Just stay there, yeah. Thanks. Wow. Personal family here. Aw, you're welcome, baby. You're welcome.
All right, back in the kitchen. Chickpeas are cooked.
Potatoes are not. I literally just put them on. But
Step 2.
I have a pro tip for you. If you're behind, like I am right now, use hot water to start your potatoes in. Because then it's going to be brought up to the boil like way faster, right? Let's try that. See how long it takes. Come on. You're done.
Can I get a chickpea?
Can I throw it at your face? Can you catch it?
Here.
This is gonna take. You gotta look at me, not them. Oh!
Good job. Michael Jordan over here. Right. Chickpea. Mmm.
So hearty.
Mm-hmm.
And some come and then up.
So that was our quick chickpea mashed potatoes and corn recipe, which took us,
About 40 minutes.
yeah, not very quick. But it'll be a lot faster for you guys because you won't have smashing plates and screaming kids and tantruming 6-year-olds. I hope anyways.
At the end of the day, my stomach's full and I'm very happy right now. So like the video if you liked it, and see you next time. Bye!